Top 7 most interesting AI apps 2025. They will blow your mind, ready to upgrade your life. First, ChatGPT, your smart AI friend. Ask anything, homework, help, writing, or even life advice. ChatGPT is your 24/7 brain. Second, Remini. Turn blurry photos into HD. Old photos, Remini make them look like they were shot on the latest DSLR. Third, Voicemod AI. Change your voice instantly. Sound like a robot, baby, or singer. Prank your friends and go viral. 4. Lens AI. Create stunning avatars. Turn your selfies into digital art. Pure stylish and totally unique. 5th, Google Gemini. AI meets Google power. Search smarter, plan, trip, write, email. Gemini is like ChatGPT with Google Brain. 6. CapCut AI. Video editing made easy. Edit videos in seconds to add music, caption, or AI effect without effort. QuillBot. Rewrite anything like a pro. Student blogger writers. This tool rephrases your text like magic. So these AI tools are not just fun, they are game changer. Try them today and thank me later. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cool and AI content.